In this video, I am about to show you how to complete prompt design in the Vertex AI Challenge Lab. Start by accessing the lab environment and following the steps provided. First, open your Vertex AI Challenge Lab application on your mobile device or computer. Once you're in, look for the lab instructions or guidelines that detail the prompt design process. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the Vertex AI SDK. Understand the key concepts of prompt engineering, including best practices, 0 minus, 1 minus, and few shot prompting techniques. These techniques will help you create effective prompts for your AI model. Next, explore various text generation use cases within the SDK. You can work on tasks like ideation, Q&A, text classification, text extraction, and text summarization. This hands-on experience is crucial for understanding how different prompts can yield different results. When you feel ready, start designing your prompts by inputting them into the provided interface. Test and refine your prompts to optimize their performance based on the feedback and results you receive. Finally, ensure you follow any specific guidelines or requirements set out by the lab. Once you have completed your prompts and any associated tasks, submit your work as instructed. Be sure to check your progress regularly to stay on track and complete the challenge successfully. If you encounter any issues, refer to the lab's help section or resources for assistance. This structured approach will help you effectively complete the prompt design challenge in Vertex AI. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.